Hey, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. here in Lakeland, Florida. I spoke to Cassie the other day, and she had given me the okay to go ahead and send over this really quick screencast to you guys. She mentioned it was going to be going to the manager, so it didn't get a name, but I still wanted to go ahead and get it over as soon as possible. So what I'll really be doing is going over 3 areas and 3 ways in which you can grow and scale your business, and as a result, get more traffic in the door. These are changes you can actually make on your own, practical ways to scale your business, get ranked high in Google, and as a result, get more clients in the door. So, I have your website pulled up here, and overall, it's a very well laid out website, looks very organized. If I could give one recommendation, it would be just adding more content to your front page. This is one area that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website. So Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, and then around 750 words on your back pages. So that's definitely just an opportunity for you there. I have your top competitor pulled up. It's called Action Air Conditioning. They're out of the Tampa area. They have a pretty laid out website as well. It doesn't appear that they have as much content. So this is, again, just an area where you could beat your competition. And then your second top competitor actually looks similar to the first. But your second top competitor in the Tampa area, again, they really don't have a whole lot of content either. So this is just an opportunity for you to grow your business, get some more content on your front page and your back pages. And also, going into my next point, getting a good amount of keywords in your front pages and your back pages so you can rank multiple pages. So we use this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it kind of helps to see the ins and out of your website. So where your website's been in the past, where it's at now, and kind of the changes that your website has made. So it looks like your overall ranking has kind of declined within the last couple of months. There could be a number of reasons why, so I'll kind of go over that with you. The first area I'll go over is the area of keywords. So what a keyword is, it's a highly searched word in Google, and this tool tells you where you're at in that search. So for instance, when someone searches "and services Tampa," which gets searched about 100 times per month, you're in the top position. Of course, that's the name of your business. So you're in the top position for the majority of the keywords that include your name. So that's really good. It's good to be in the top position. However, you want to rank for keywords that are general. So for instance, air conditioning in Lakeland, Florida, air conditioning in Tampa. And the reason being is there could be a lot of customers that aren't as familiar with your business. So you'd want to try your best to get, of course, those customers as well. So let me go to see. I'm trying to search for a general keyword here in your website. Yeah, so I'm not having any luck finding any general keywords that tailor to specific locations. So I'll show you what that looks like here. Your top competitor, I have their kind of ranking pulled up here. Their keywords are not loading, so let me go to your second top competitor. I'll kind of show you their keywords and what I mean. So for instance, air conditioning in Tampa. They're not quite in that first position. They are in the 5th position though, which I believe is still the front page of Google. So whenever somebody Googles air conditioning in Tampa, they do at least get a glimpse of this website. Tampa air conditioning repair, they're in the 10th position. I wish this would pull up so I could show you, because I believe this business is ranked. There we go. So this business here, your top competitor, you can kind of see Action Air Tampa. That's the name of their website. Air Conditioning Tampa. They're in the 4th position. So you'd want to get your website ranked for these general keywords, because you can see, I mean, if you look over here, this tells you how many searches it gets. So Tampa air conditioning gets about 150 searches a month. Air conditioning contractors in Tampa, 100 searches a month. So if you can get ranked for majority of these general keywords, that's a lot of customers you could be getting in the door. So that was just another area, the area of keywords, and getting as many as possible for, general searches. And then another area I wanted to go over with you is the area of backlinks. So what a backlink is it's when another website, preferably a website of power and influence, refers back to your website and links your website in their website. So it looks like you have a little over 1,000 backlinks. All backlinks are created different. So it is good to have a good amount of backlinks, but it is just as, if not more important, to have good, influential, credible links referring back to your website. If not, you get a bunch of spammy links referring back to your site, and that could really hurt your ranking because Google recognizes that. They can see if there's a lot of spammy sites referring back to yours, and they don't like that. So that can, in turn, hurt your ranking. So it looks like the amount of influence your website has is 40 out of 100, which is pretty good. However, this DR right here tells me that a lot of these links are not as trustworthy. You want this DR as close as possible to this UR. So it tells me you have a lot of backlinks, but it looks like a lot of these links are not good, credible links. So I'll give you some reference here. I have your top competitor. Looks like they actually have even less than, as far as their trust is concerned. They have less backlinks as well. And then your second top competitor here, they have a little more trust in comparison to their power. They have a 919 backlinks. So just goes to show you can have a whole lot of links, but what really matters is the quality of the links. So that's just the second area I wanted to go over. And then the last area is the area of citations. So what a citation is pretty much your business name, address, and phone number blasted all over the internet, whether that be directories or social media platforms. The more the better, because of course your business is getting out there for the world to see. So you have 29 citations, your top competitor has 67, and then your second top competitor has 75. I generally would recommend doubling this, if not tripling this number, when it comes to citations, just so you can dominate your competition and they really would have a hard time catching up to you. So that was just 3 areas. Again, that was content, getting good keywords ranked on your website, getting good quality backlinks, and then lastly, getting citations as well. So that's all I have. I mean, I appreciate your time. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you learned something. I would love to touch base with you if you want to either give me an email back or give me a call. We can kind of go over your business goals, and if not, that's okay as well. Overall, I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.